Alright guys, so Paul Bates here with and today I really want to talk about this old troller. That should be the name of my channel, huh? Anyway, what we did here is, you guys know that I went with the hard to top, and the reason I did that is because I want to be able to put solar panels up there and a few things. I'll put my anchor light up there and a TV antenna, and eventually maybe even a radar. We'll see as time goes on. But what we did on this update right here, we talk about the price a little bit. You know, this top was $1,500, another couple $100 for shipping, so it was $1,700 shipped to me. And overall, I'm satisfied with it still today. After I've got all the supports on here, that's what I showed you in my last video. And then Bev, this last weekend, me and her got the canvas sewed on here, and I wanted to share that with you today on this update video. So we repurposed our old canvas. We know we need to replace our canvas, but it's very, very expensive, and there's nobody really to do it out here. So we are just going to probably, for now, just run with the old canvas. And what she did is we had to call the company, and we got this called Keder, and it's just a fabric right here, and it has this little tube in it right here. I'll show you a picture of it, and it just slides into the track. And so you see I put this track up here, and the keifer just slides in there, and you don't have to zip it on there. Well, we had to add little extensions to the tops here. We just sewed on little extensions, and we also changed the shape of our top a little bit, so it even got a little bit trickier. But it wasn't fairly complicated, and I actually like the keifer better, Keder better than I like the zipper on. But this is just a little update as I get ready here to put the solar panels on. That will be next week. I will get some of them. I'll do an update video showing you how I'm preparing for the solar panels, and then we'll actually get the solar panels on there. Probably not until we get back from Utah. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, and keep watching the videos here, because you're going to see a lot of changes come from this top right here very, very soon. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. Thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. And if you have any questions at all, please just contact me. I've been talking to a couple different guys about a couple different systems, but we just put the Light Pro 4 battery in, and we're doing the testing right now. And man, I'm going to tell you, that's an incredible battery, so watch for those videos coming up too. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. Thank you guys. We love it. Have a good day. Bye.